Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng green carpet algae? Here are the things you need to know. Number 1, which is also the most important, a cycle tank or a tank with a nitrogen cycle. Kung alam mo na ang nitrogen cycle, skip mo na tong part na to. But for those na hindi pa alam ang nitrogen cycle, let me explain. Nitrogen cycle is the heart of fish keeping. Ito ay pagpapatira ng mga good bacteria dun sa iyong aquarium. Dahil ang poop ng ating mga fish are toxic for them. At yung poop nila will be converted to ammonia. And if you don't have nitrogen cycle or good bacteria to convert the ammonia into nitrate and into nitrite, pwedeng magkaroon ang goldfish mo ng red spot o ammonia burn. Dahil ang ammonia, sinusunog niya ang slime coating na nagpoprotekta sa ating mga isda. Number 2 is direct sunlight exposure or anything na nag-i-imitate ng direct sunlight. At kapag meron ka ng nitrogen cycle, may pagkukunan na ng nutrients ang algae. One of their food source is ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate. So tumutulong din siya para gawing safe ang water parameter mo. And kapag mas malakas ang direct sunlight exposure, mas mabilis silang tutubo. In short, tatlo lang yung kailangan mo. Kailangan mo lang ng fish na magpuproduce ng poop, nitrogen cycle na magko-convert ng ammonia to nitrite to nitrate, and direct sunlight exposure. Based on my experience, malaking tulong ang pagdidili water change paggamit ng water na walang chlorine or stock water dahil ang chlorine ay pumapatay ng good and bad bacteria. And I think that's all for today's video. And if you're looking for an imported ranchu, message me directly para masend ko sa iyo yung mga available pa. Meron din nga pala tayong mga small ranchu, and if you're looking for a small ranchu, you can message me because meron tayo ditong i-release na 6 weeks old na baby ranchus. And I think that's all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one. Bye!